Place an order in CreateOne, go to the Make Orders tab. From here, you can press New Order in the top right corner. This will load the Order tab. I can give my order a name and then select my order type. There are two types of orders in CreateOne, a ones order and a wholesale order. These are dictated by the amount of units that you're ordering, as well as the subscription tier that you're in. Wholesale pricing discounts are only available for CreateOne Premium members. So if you're in CreateOne Basic, then you'll always choose ones. If you're a premium member and you're ordering at least 5 units of each SKU, then you're eligible to order in wholesale order. This will discount the percentage of cost of goods or ones fee that we'll charge you. So for now, I'll stick with the ones order type and press Browse next to Styles to start loading my cart. I can either pull in specific styles, search for styles, or if I have my styles organized into collections, I can pull in an entire collection or a part of a collection. I will press Add, and the order form will populate with the styles that I've just selected. If any of your styles are out of stock, that will be shown here. And now I can go through and choose the size and quantity of each style that I want to order. As I do, the cost breakdown on the right-hand side will load. The first line item is the cost of goods, will load at the top. And next, the ones fee will be added. In CreateOne Basic, the ones fee is 75% the cost of goods. This is the technology fee to access CreateOne. In CreateOne Premium, the ones fee goes down to 30% cost of goods for ones orders, and then down to 15% cost of goods for wholesale orders. Again, if you're ordering at least 5 units of each SKU. Beneath that, the subtotal will be listed, and then shipping will be applied. For break next, the subtotal is listed, and then the shipping fee, which will get you to the total for this cost of order. If you're in the CreateOne Basic plan, you'll be able to see the potential savings of subscribing. Next, I'm going to pull in my shipping address, and when I do that, the shipping cost will load. So in this case, if I was ordering something to the Dominican Republic, our cost is a $7 flat rate per order, so that's just updated in the cost list at the top. The last step is to add my payment, and then I can submit this order. Once I submit the order will be listed in the Orders tab, and you'll be able to track your ones as they make their way through production. Please note that any orders placed through CreateOne or through your Shopify integration can be canceled self-sufficiently in the Orders tab for up to 6 hours after the order is placed, and no charge will be processed.